Good morning, students. In today's lecture, we will study about the different concepts of freedom. We also study about the positive and negative aspects of liberty or freedom. People should be ready to tolerate different ways of life, different points of view, and the different interests so long as they do not cause harm to others. But such tolerance need not be extended to views and actions which may put people in danger or foment hatred against them. Hate campaigns cause a serious harm to the freedom of others, and actions that cause a serious harm are actions on which constraints can be imposed. But we must make sure that the constraints imposed are not too severe that they destroy freedom itself. Or we can say constants, of course, they are must, but they should be according to the scenario. They do not too much hard. By that, people feel bound with such a type of constants. So, a few examples I am showing to you on your screen. You must read all these points and think about such a type of constraints, or you can say the foundations. Firstly, I explain in China during Mao's regime, all the people had to wear Mao suits based on the argument that it was an expression of equality. Mao was a great leader of China, and he was the founder of Marxism in China. So he imposed such a type of rules. Are they correct or no? You must think and imagine that situation. Liberty or freedom has mainly two aspects. First, positive aspect, second, negative aspects. Firstly, I'll explain about the positive liberty. T.H. Green, a celebrated thinker of the 19th century and some prominent thinker of 20th century, whose name I have given on your screen, were of the view that liberty does not mean absence of restraints. It rather signifies an opportunity for you to do something which is worth doing. Lasky says, by liberty I mean the eager maintenance of that atmosphere in which men have the opportunity to be their best selves. And the another aspects of liberty or freedom is negative. By name you can guess implications of negative liberty. Negative liberty indicates the zone of non-intervention. Those who subscribe to the idea of negative liberty believe that more the laws, less is the liberty available to the individuals. Freedoms of thoughts, speech, religion, and property should never be restricted. Franchise should be universal, and the sphere of state activity should be very limited. According to them, the government is the best which govern the least. And now you can easily judge the difference between positive and negative liberty. Freedom of speech and expression is essential for moral and mental development of not only the concerned person but of society as a whole. If persons of the society are bound to share their views regarding the government or any other organization of the society that is just like uh, a stopping of development. If anything, do not face criticism that can't be developed. So, freedom of expression of speech must be given to the citizens of India or any other country. Freedom of expression does not mean the freedom to say just what one likes. Restrictions can be imposed on freedom of speech in the interest of public order, decency, or morality. Our liberty depends on the freedom of the press, and that cannot be limited without being lost. A free press is the only safeguard of public liberty, and you can easily read the statement of Voltaire on your screen. I hope easily you can differentiate between positive and negative liberty or freedom, and also the freedom of speech and expression. I hope all the points are clear to you. Thank you and have a nice day.